I want to take a little bit of time because I've received several calls over the last couple of days in regards to why we've issued additional shares. And I wanted to explain a little bit of why we went public and why we are doing what we're doing. And one of the reasons was with the initiatives that we had that I've been working on for 4 years up until this point, we needed additional funding. And I had a private investor in place, which is still in place, but with some of the new initiatives that we had, we were at a point where we really needed to raise the additional capital that we needed to be able to enact on these initiatives. One of the things that we're working on is this line of retail products and trying to partner with a large retail chain to bring these products into market. And a lot of times what they want is they want advertising dollars and some things like this that we saw a need to issue the additional shares to raise the money so that we could secure some of these contracts. So right now, we're not diluting the company out and taking the money and just putting it in our pockets or anything, but 100% of the money that's brought into the company stays in the company. So we felt it necessary to raise the additional money to be able to secure some of these accounts. And I'm really looking forward to being able to explain some of these accounts that we're working on in the future here. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of update. Just hang on. We're not just spending the money crazily. We're actually spending the money to secure new contracts. One thing that we're really excited about is our bottling machine is now installed and we've been running it. We spent the last couple of days running product through it, getting kind of all the bugs worked out of it. We're really excited about it. We have a little bit more equipment that we will be purchasing over the next 6 to 8 months, but very minor compared to the purchase that we just did on the bottling, capping, and labeling machine. So we will be purchasing some equipment in the future, but we feel like we're in a position right now where we have a lot of the major things that we need. We have our forklift. We have the packaging machine. We have a lot of inventory. I mean, one of the investors called in today and asked, kind of where we're at with everything, and I was explaining. He's like, "Well, do you have any inventory in stock?" And all of a sudden I got to think. I was like, you know what? We have about $800,000 to $1.2 million in inventory that's right here, ready to be shipped out. So some of the funding that you see is going into stocking up on inventory to be able to fulfill some of the orders that we have, and we feel like with the packaging we have, the product that we have, and now the machine to do it, we have a complete package that we're ready to go with. Right now we're in the process of kind of looking at revising some of our estimates. I think that'll be done within the next 30 to 60 days, that we'll have a better grasp on kind of where we'll end the year. But things are really looking good. We have a lot of orders going out. We have the stuff that we shipped to Korea, several containers went there. To Africa, we have some more orders coming in from Africa right now. And then this whole new retail line, and then a lot of industrial stuff here in the U.S. So our initiatives as it relates to the scrap industry are moving along very, very nicely. We're in the process right now of finalizing the negotiations on that. We've received feedback from some of our potential partners, and things are looking very good with the testing that we have in place right now and being able to work something out. So can't wait to keep everybody updated on that and to bring information as soon as it's available. We mentioned from the very beginning that having audited financials at some point in the future is a priority. It is something we are working on and getting to that point. It's not something that will happen in the third quarter of this year, but we would like to be able to start posting our financials. Like we'll for sure do year-end financials, even if they're not audited to start with. But to start building a way up, I mean, we would love to be to the point where we have audited financials, 2 years of that, our share price is high, and then to move up at some point, to the bulletin boards or to NASDAQ. That is definitely a goal of ours, but we have to wait for the timing to be right so that we can meet all the criteria on that. One of the nice things about our product line that we have is the margins that we're able to accomplish, and we haven't had to lower our prices in order to get business. In fact, quite the opposite. We've realized in some of the industries that we're going into, we can actually raise our prices and still be competitive with normal chemical cleaners. So we're really excited about the margins we have, and as the financials become more available, then we'll be able to show that. As we roll out our retail line of products, we are looking at all avenues, whether it be big box retail, independents, some of the online or TV channels. We've been working with a retail expert who's been in the business for 30 years, and so he has a lot of contacts into the shopping channels as well as big box retail and independents. So we're really excited about having him come on board in the near future and be able to start getting our products into those places. In regards to our products being in some of the major C-store distributors in the U.S., those products are in process right now. They're being manufactured, and being packaged. So they are not on the shelves today, but they will be going out, and we'll put a press release out when the orders go out for that, for sure. One of the partners that we're really excited about is ISI in Canada, and that is an extension of the product that we sell into Korea right now for the hog odor. And we're working with them directly to get this product into the Canadian market, and they are working at getting their image more well known right now. It's more of a co-op style where they sell directly to the farmer, so they will be updating that and becoming more of a distribution center. From time to time, shareholders will call in and ask me, do you think the share price is, undervalued, overvalued? What do you think it should be? Unfortunately, I'm not the one that controls the share price. You guys are the one who control the share price. And so it's hard for me to say, yes, it's overvalued or undervalued. I believe that the company has a lot more value than what the market cap is right now. My focus has always been on creating long-term value for the shareholder, as opposed to focusing on the price per share that is currently trading at. Because I believe if I build long-term value for the company, that the share price will eventually follow, and we'll get a true market cap of what the true value of the company is. My goal for this year has been the $8 million in estimated revenue, and then up to $30 million next year. At that point, we will be profitable for the most part, assuming that there's no unforeseen issues that arise. But we will be profitable when we hit the $8 million mark. So I know some of you have seen the YouTube video that we did several days ago, walking through the office, and we're really excited about getting that done. We have a 5-year lease on this office right now, and so we did the improvements that we needed to. But we are leasing it, but we did pay cash for the build out, and for all of our equipment in the back is we pay cash for. So those are all assets that are owned by the corporation. As we're building the company, it's exciting to see the company grow and to be able to bring new employees on. And we do have intentions to bring some new employees on. One of the things that, as we launch into the beverage industry, we will be bringing new employees on to that. And we're refining a little bit of how we're doing that, but it is something that is definitely a main focus for us, and to be able to add personnel into that division as well as the enzyme one in order to increase sales. So as we add new personnel into the beverage division as well as to the enzyme division, it will be for the sole purpose of creating sales as well as enhancing the look of our company and the marketability of our products. Another initiative that I'm really excited about is we're redesigning our labels as well as our website, our e-commerce site, and some of the look of our products. And one of the things that will be going up in the near future is our new website and our new e-commerce site. We will have some new products on there, and we will be updating that and increasing the number of products available online. We just threw several out there that were some of our best selling products, but we will be adding some of those on. The new Wipeout stain pen, for example, is one that we'll be adding to that in the near future. Another question I get asked from time to time is, why do you take a $750,000 salary per year? This is kind of a misconception, because on the filings that we did that showed what my salary was, that was actually a salary that had been accruing for 4 years. And up until this point, I'm still not taking a salary from the company. I'm doing it in deferred compensation, and so I'm not taking any cash out of the company as it relates to my salary right now. So once again, I just wanted to thank you for your patience and your support. We are growing the company as fast as we possibly can with the resources that we have, and we're really excited about where we're going, and